Hello everyone, my name is Your Name, and today I'm excited to present my cybersecurity awareness chatbot, developed entirely in C# as a console application. This chatbot is designed to educate users about cybersecurity concepts such as VPNs, firewalls, phishing, spoofing, DNS, social engineering, encryption, and more. The main goal is to provide a user-friendly interface that allows anyone to learn interactively and test their knowledge in a conversational manner. Background: why this chatbot matters. In recent years, South Africa has seen a significant rise in cyber attacks, targeting individuals, businesses, and government institutions. PIDASA, 2021. Common attacks include phishing scams, malware, ransomware, and social engineering attacks. These attacks often result in financial loss, identity theft, and even psychological harm. In response, the Department of Cybersecurity has launched a campaign to educate citizens on identifying and mitigating cyber threats. This chatbot is a part of that cybersecurity awareness initiative, acting as a virtual assistant to simulate real-life scenarios and guide users to avoid common traps. By interacting with it, users gain practical cybersecurity knowledge while I demonstrate programming skills like object-oriented design, dictionaries, and input validation. Project overview. The project is built using object-oriented programming principles, which makes it modular, maintainable, and easy to extend. Consists of 4 main components. Program.cs. This is the main entry point of the program. Handles the UI, user input, and chatbot loop.chatbot.cs. This class contains the knowledge base in the form of a dictionary of questions and answers. It also processes user input to return appropriate responses. Helper.cs. This small but essential class performs input validation and cleans user input before passing it to the chatbot.ichatbot.cs. This is an interface that ensures our chatbot class implements a GetResponse method, which makes the design more modular and scalable. Code walkthrough. Program.sys. Let's look at the main program file. Here's what happens step by step. The program first displays an ASCII art logo which makes the console visually appealing. Then it plays a greeting audio using a .wav file which gives a more interactive feel. Next, the program asks for the user's name, validates it using the helper class, and assigns it to the chatbot. The chatbot then welcomes the user and shows all the questions that the user can ask. Finally, the program enters a loop where the user types questions and the chatbot responds until the user types exit. This design ensures a smooth user experience, guiding the user while also handling invalid inputs. Helper.sys. The helper class might look small, but it's crucial for program robustness. Is valid input, ensures the user typed something. Prevents empty inputs from breaking the loop. Clean input, trims spaces and converts everything to lowercase. This ensures the chatbot can recognize queries regardless of formatting or capitalization. Chatbot.cs, 10 minutes. Now let's focus on the chatbot class, the brain of the application. Uses a dictionary to store questions, keys, and answers, values. Add data populates the dictionary with essential cybersecurity topics. VPNs. Explains secure connections and tunneling protocols. Firewalls. Explains filtering traffic for security. Social engineering. Examples of manipulation and phishing attempts. Black hat versus white hat hackers. Ethical versus malicious hackers. Encryption and decryption, how data is secured and recovered. Shoulder surfing and MITM attacks, physical and network level.
Hello and
Threats.
welcome to the cybersecurity
Let's go
bot.
through one example question in detail. User asks, "What is a VPN?" Bot response. Detailed explanation about encryption, secure connections, and remote network access. Discuss why using predefined dictionary answers is helpful for beginners and ensures accuracy. The GetResponse method works as follows. Checks if input is empty, converts input to lowercase, iterates through dictionary keys and searches for a match, returns the corresponding answer or a default message. I did not quite understand that. Could you repeat or rephrase? Live demonstration, interactive session, 10 minutes. Time to see the chatbot in action. Start the program. ASCII logo appears. Listen to the greeting audio. Enter the username, e.g. Alex. Chatbot welcomes. Welcome, Alex. I'm your cybersecurity assistant. Demo questions. Hello, bot responds. How can I help you? What is a VPN? Explains VPN in detail. Define DNS. Explains DNS and its role. What is spoofing? Explains IP, ARP, and email spoofing. Who are black hat hackers and white hat hackers? Explains ethical versus malicious hackers. What do you mean by shoulder surfing? Explains physical attack techniques. Invalid input. Hit enter. Bot responds, please enter a valid message. Cybersecurity insights and real-life examples. Let's take a moment to connect the bot's knowledge to real-world scenarios in South Africa. Phishing, emails pretending to be banks, users learn to check sender addresses. Ransomware, recent examples where companies were locked out of systems, highlighting encryption attacks. Social engineering, callers tricking employees into revealing passwords. Spoofing and MITM attacks, demonstrate how attackers could intercept network traffic. Project structure and future improvements. Currently, this is a console-based chatbot. Implemented features include input validation, ASCII UI voice greeting, knowledge base for cybersecurity topics. Future improvements could include GUI interface using Windows Forms or WPF AI-based responses with natural language understanding, chat history logging, expanded knowledge base with more examples, quizzes, or interactive scenarios. The modular structure ensures that these enhancements are easy to implement. Coding insights and learning points. Through this project, I've gained insights into designing modular programs with classes and interfaces using dictionary collections for a knowledge base, handling user input robustly using simple console effects like ASCII art and audio to enhance UX, connecting programming projects with meaningful social impact like cybersecurity awareness. Conclusion. To summarize, the Cybersecurity Awareness Chatbot demonstrates OOP, console UI design, and cybersecurity education. It's interactive, user-friendly, and expandable. Users learn practical cybersecurity skills from VPNs to phishing in an engaging environment. This project not only builds programming skills but contributes to improving cybersecurity literacy in South Africa. I encourage everyone to try it out and experience how easy it is to learn cybersecurity concepts through interactive chatbots.